Telecom, datacom, networking, industrial PCs, and industrial controls and instruments have growing power requirements that require edge connectors to deliver higher current density. Amphenol FCI EnergyEdge X-treme high-density connectors, available from Mouser Electronics, feature a revolutionary dual-contact design that delivers 3,000 watts at 12 volts, offering a 25% improvement in linear current density and up to a 23% reduction in size compared to existing edge card products. Connectors are offered with 2-beam 28-amp power contacts on a 5.08mm pitch, or 3-beam 42-amp power contacts on a 7.62mm pitch for flexible pad layout and system architecture. They also feature an end-of-life contact resistance of just 0.4 milliohms, ensuring high-efficiency power delivery. Options include straddle mount, right angle coplanar, and vertical configurations.